ወይ አዲስ አበባ ወይ አራዳ ወይ አሁን የት ነው የምገኘው ጋይስ አሳያችሁ እስኪ ናፍዬ ይህ መንገድ ውጭ ሀገር አይደለም ይሄ ካናዳ አይደለም አሜሪካ አይደለም ይሄው አዲስ አበባ ቦሌ ነው የምንገኘው አዲሱ መንገድ ማለት ነው እንዴት አባቱ እንደሚያምር እኔ ልገልጽላችሁ አልችልም እኔ ግራ ገብቶኛል በምን ፍጥነት ነው እንደዚህ ያለቀው ደግሞ ጽዳቱ እንዳለ በቃ አረና ተሳያችሁ በደንብ አድርገህ እግዚአብሔርን በጣም ነው ደስ የሚለው እኔ በጣም ኮርቻለሁ what do you think about this new road
it's beautiful wait my Lotte
hi Walter your friend is being interviewed right now I'm asking her what do you think about this new road do you think it's better than the cities and where you're from where are you guys from by the way
best opinion Belgium
you're from Belgium
yes
okay what do you think about this road compared to the roads in Belgium
Oof, this is better.
Really? Yeah. Do you think it's clean and well built?
Belgium is very bad in roads.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys like Addis Ababa?
Yes, but what
you speak Amharic. That's crazy. Okay, I love that. What about you? Do you speak Amharic?
No.
No? Not even one word?
I'm a Seginalu.
Okay, that means thank you. What about you?
Kazbekaz and Kulal Beguli Hidan.
What was that? Kazbekaz, you say? Can you repeat?
Kazbekaz.
Kazbekaz means slowly.
Slowly the egg begins to.
Wow, that's crazy. What about you? One word. You have to speak one word.
I'm a Seginalu.
I'm a Seginalu. What about you? Don't say the same word. Oh my god. Okay, you say salam. Do you know salam? That's the easiest word.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of internet. Salam, no? It means how you doing.
Salam.
Thank you so much for coming to Ethiopia. Okay.